As you can see, I just went darker now. It's only 8, so that's convenient. Not really. Gonna clean the mass airflow sensor on the BMW. Right, there it is. Could take off this and that, and spray her down with that. Fingers crossed. I like this thing, it's pretty cool. Screwdriver attaches to the ratchet. Man, makes it easy to do this. Boom. It's off. I'm just gonna get the rest of this junk off. Look at this filter. Oh. Yeah, no wonder. I don't know if you can see that, but I would say it's probably shot. A lot of rust. A lot of rust. And clean it and see how it goes. Oops. Oh, that would have been bad. I don't think mass airflow sensors are supposed to go into coolant. Okay. Got it back in. It's clean as I can get it, I guess. Got the intake straight up with no filter. Not my recommendation, but it's better than this. Oh, look at all that rust. Oh my God. So we'll get her started here, see if it worked or not. All right. Car. Nope. So I need a new mass airflow sensor. That's the buzzer for the tell your lights are still on. I love it. We'll just unplug the sensor just to show that it is the sensor. I know you didn't see anything there, but I just unplugged it. Sensor's unplugged. Idling perfect. Fine. So I'm not gonna run it too long like that. She sounds good. Okay, lights. I get it. Oh, bummer. New sensor on the way. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you subscribed and you're watching, thank you. Have a good night.